Hey, what's up, guys? Back with another one here. This one's a 96 Trans Am WS6 auto car, and it's already 411 swapped. I did this one over the summer. Customer lives in Kansas. I trailered it down here last night. It's got some engine noise, so I think it's top end related. It's either the rockers or the lifters. Probably the lifters. Hopefully it's the rockers. It's got a small transmission leak, and I'm going to retune it because I think he changed rockers out and stuff, and it probably just needs retune. And he said the oil pan is filled with gas. That's a bad thing. So it might be an injector leak or something. I got a couple little things to do to this thing, but this is a 389 cubic inch LT1. It's a pretty hot little motor. It runs really well, or did when I tuned it. The tranny's pretty nice. It's got like a 3300 stall or 3000 stall on it. Excellent street car. Great combo. The only thing it needs is like a gear. If it had a 373 or 390 gear in it, oh man, it'd be awesome. But yeah, I got this one coming up in the video here. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and take the valve covers off, check the rockers, and then go from there. Hopefully it's just a rocker loose or something, but it sounds pretty terrible. So knowing my luck, it's probably going to be the lifters, and probably worst case scenario, it's going to be the cam too. Hopefully not, because it still thumps really good. But yeah, this one's up and coming right here, so stay tuned.